this is our apartment in Sarajevo, Bosnia and Herzegovina. When you first come in, you have a beautiful walk-in closet with a lot of storage, and I love the fact that you can hang your coats up, not on a hanger, but actually on a hook. Because it is in February, so it's a little bit chilly. We come over here, and you have a beautiful bathroom with a washer and dryer. And what I love about this is the touch mirror. Nice shower, beautiful bathroom, towel warmers. Big mirror, scares you when you come out of the thing. Kitchen is adorable. Has bar stools, has a big old pantry back here, and it came with a drying rack. I think they had an extra bed in case you had a kid or something.
Yeah, there's a bed, baby bed.
Very nice pantry. Ironing board. Can't ask for more.
Basically everything you need.
Beautiful oven. And the oven is regular and convection. So it heats up everything. Our Burke in the morning very quickly. The apartment comes so well equipped. It just has everything you could possibly want with a coffee maker. The Dulce Gusto. And the glasses
really nice.
Came with pots and pans, plenty of silverware. Came with coffees and teas in a beautiful box. It didn't come with the Bounty Bar. I bought that.
Yeah, the Bounty Bar was extra. We bought that.
You have a gorgeous living room. These are double paned windows.
Which is good because of the cold weather.
And the windows either open where they tilt forward or you can open them completely. But there's a glass safety here, so
You don't
Jimmy won't fall out when, he's half in the bag. It has a fantastic porch.
The porch.
Here again,
Another nice feature of the apartment is the shutters,
shutters.
which
No.
go up and down. You can up and down them.
Yeah,
And
that's
we
how
got
shutters usually go.
A huge TV.
And probably the biggest thing with Airbnbs, it has one of the most comfortable and huge couches we have had in any Airbnb anywhere. This apartment has so many high-end features it's amazing. And then last but not least,
Where the magic happens.
the king-size bed, plus it has a TV in the bedroom. Small little area with another mirror. This place has tons of mirrors. And what I also like is all the end tables have, the nightstands have lamps on them. And you have plenty of storage.
Storage space is a whole wall of storage.
It's just...
Which is really nice.
The bed is the most comfortable we've had since, I think it's the most comfortable.
And coming out of Asia, this was
This was amazing. This is a foam bed, but it's firm enough. It's not too soft, it's not too hard. I feel like Goldilocks when I lay down.
And we also have another TV in the bedroom, which is nice.
I just said that.
And did you say that?
Yeah.
Well, by golly, we said it twice. There's only one TV, but we said it twice.
Now there's two TVs.
Well, there's a TV on the other side.
So this is our beautiful apartment. We can't say enough fantastic things about it. And the location. Let me tell you about that. You are just literally steps away from Old Town and New Town in the city center. And the river is just a few blocks over. I don't think there could have been a better location. Do you?
We've also got a vegetable market around the corner.
Oh, huge.
How many
Huge
grocery
freezer veg.
stores in the area?
3, 4 just in, and a kind of a boutique kind of food court. We just went there and got a whole chicken, a roastery chicken and potatoes. And but they have all different kinds of meats and cheeses in there. And we have bakeries. And of course, we can't say enough about the burek and everything else, the food. Sarajevo is becoming
One of our favorite cities.
one of our very favorite cities.
And I'm going to put in an extra word here. Our Airbnb host is Mac.
Amazing.
He's been a phenomenal host.
Just so responsive to anything that we've had, and we've had some stupid questions, trust me. If you know us, we can ask some stupid questions, and he has not gotten irritated with us, at least that we can tell, so we're very, very happy. So we cannot recommend this place enough. It's on Airbnb.
And
We'll
leave
put
a
a link.
in the comments.
Okay? Say goodnight, Gracie.
Good night, Gracie. Till next time. Bye.
Bye.